What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be drawing a toilet monster.
A toilet monster? That sounds gross. Grab a paper and a marker or a crayon or something to draw with. First we're going to do, you got to take your paper and you're going to fold it in half. This would be one of those like folding surprise ones where you open it up and it's like, you're going to turn it over and flip one end up. I'm going to do the same thing on this other side, just to create some guide marks. And flip it over. And so it kind of be like this. Okay. Yep, get those nice and tight. I'm gonna start with the bottom of the toilet bowl. That's what it's called. What you don't want to do, you want to make sure you don't draw on top here. So we're gonna draw like an upside down U. I'm gonna give myself kind of like a guideline, a guide mark. Does that make sense? And then upside down U like this. It's kind of crooked already, but that's okay. And then it kind of, toilet's gonna come down here like this, two angled lines, and then draw a rectangle, long skinny rectangle base.
Make it have legs.
You could make it have legs, but I'm not gonna do that. And then there's a little detail right here. There's like a bolt that bolts it to the ground. We'll draw the tank where all the water kind of sits. And we're gonna draw a line up like this, and then we're gonna draw a line right here, but I don't want it to touch this other side of this paper. Does that make sense? Oh, that's great. And now let's finish the top. And it kind of has a lid, right? So we'll give it a lid. And good job. And you gotta draw like the handle of the flesh. Good job. And now we've got to draw a toilet lid and then the toilet seat. So we're drawing almost like two skinny rectangles. Good job. I'm gonna draw some ice. Now you can make them scary, skinny, big, however you want. I'm gonna do this though. I'm gonna draw them pretty big. You can draw your eyes however you want. And I'm gonna give it like a highlight. Make sure you give your eye a highlight. Giving him like a big eye and a little eye, cool?
No.
Oh.
A robot toilet.
A robot toilet? What's the line? Oh, it's a robot.
It's a robot.
And then give that, is that one a robot? Or are you gonna make that one normal? Or,
I'm gonna make it.
Okay.
And make a city down below.
I'm gonna do like almost rabbit teeth, like these big teeth, buck teeth on it.
And then we can have
So
and then we can have I don't know.
you don't know? So I'm gonna draw two big teeth. And then we'll draw a couple other teeth here. Like that. Are you going with the scary monster with the fangs, teeth?
Yeah.
It's good, I like it. And if you're doing that, you kind of make like just a bunch of V's that connect.
We can have that much teeth.
That's all his teeth?
Mm-hmm.
So then you'll want to connect them kind of over here, like,
His gums.
yep, his gums. Want me to help you? So draw like, I'll do that over there too. Okay, now go to the bottom.
Looks like his head like got cut off.
It does look like his head got.
And then you just go.
Yep. Okay, let's do some teeth down here at the bottom. Now I'm gonna do this, Cole. Watch. I'm gonna give him like a jaw. What are we doing there? More teeth?
More teeth.
He has 2 rows of teeth.
He can't be scary if he's like that.
All right. So now do this. We're gonna draw this bottom lip down here now. We're gonna draw 2 of these like this. And then I'm actually gonna connect these lines up here to connect it. That's kind of the bottom. Now we gotta do his teeth on the bottom.
Okay.
So you might want to keep your claw thing going, or maybe don't have any teeth. But I'm just gonna draw like normal teeth. And maybe like
Thousands of teeth. It's thousands of teeth.
you can make him like scary. Oh, he's got really straight teeth. Looks good. Okay, next. What about like a big scary tongue?
Mm-hmm.
So let's draw a tongue, and it's kind of like you're gonna draw like an S shape. I'm gonna go out this way. I'm gonna make it come out like over here. So you're gonna start on one tooth over here and kind of come up and kind of come out. Good. That's good.
Out of the teeth.
That's great. And then you'll make this a little bit wider on this side. Come out a little bit further over here, and then you'll kind of connect them.
Oh,
It's almost like
the snake.
a snake tongue. I like that a lot. Okay, that looks good. Now we got to kind of connect these a little bit. So we're gonna draw a line from down here. Actually, yeah, let's do that, and then we'll come back. I'm gonna stop here for a minute because you got to kind of draw the toilet bowl inside here as well, right? So watch. It's kind of another upside down view here. Kind of connect these. So the tongue is coming out of the toilet. This is the toilet like hole.
Mm-hmm.
That makes sense.
Toilet water in here.
Yep, toilet water. So you could even have like his tongue is part of the water.
Make it have water on it.
Yeah, you can make it blue or something, right?
Yeah, it has a little bit of water, and then up here it's like.
Yeah. Okay. Now we can give our monster some arms if you want. Should we do that? Should we give him some arms?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna start over on this side and just draw like. I'm gonna draw another one over here. Yeah. You can give him kind of however arms you want. It's your monster. Kind of messed up there, but that's alright. Is this a robot? Is robot arms?
Robot.
Now I'm gonna give him another arm.
This is his saw. His saw. That's his saw.
I'm gonna give him 3 arms.
I'm gonna make him have
You gonna do what? You wanna give him another arm or are you good?
I'm good.
Okay. You know what I'm gonna add, just for fun?
What?
A cape.
Mm.
So I'm gonna draw a cape coming off his shoulders and then down below this. And if you do, you don't have to do this if you don't want to.
We can have.
He's got a cape. He got kind of like a Superman cape.
We can have some swords.
Some swords. Oh, that's good. I like it. Should we test it out before we close it?
Yeah.
Like it's like, oh look, this is a little, it's just like a little toilet, and that's pretty good. Now we just need to color him.
Yeah.
Let's color him.
2,000 years later.
I love it. I love the sword. Looks good.
Bye. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for checking us out.
Remember to like and subscribe.
See ya.